The leak detection test. We need to find the holes in the bucket. Think of your energy field, like a torus, a donut shaped field of circulating around your body, which it is. When the field is intact, you feel magnetic, charismatic, and protected. When the field has leaks, you feel drained, irritable, and thin. The tired lie, the biggest indicator of a leak is the sudden drop. Pay attention. You might feel fine at 10 a.m. Then you check your email, or you talk to a specific person, or you think about a specific unfinished task. Boom. 10:05, you suddenly feel exhausted. You feel heavy. That is not physical fatigue. You didn't run a marathon in those 5 minutes. That is an energetic crash. You just touched a live wire that grounded your charge. We must identify what you touched.